All right, what's up, traders? It's Mark here at DynoTrading, coming at you with today's wild market trading recap. We are officially in the second quarter of the trading calendar, and what I always like to do is use it as an opportunity to potentially refine my entry methods and also continuously improve at managing my risk. Now check this out. I had a brainstorming session today with some of my large heavyweight traders, okay, people that I know personally that are actively trading a minimum of 4 contracts or 4 standard lots every single day. And the results of that brainstorming meeting were very productive. So I wanted to share that with the rest of my audience and my group, because I really think that if you can at least understand what I'm about to show you here in today's incredible sell signal that showed up here bright and early in the morning, I think that if you understand this concept here, which relates to risk management, then I really think it's going to help you accelerate and supercharge your trading forever. Okay, so let's get into it, guys. What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's price action of the Dow. Yes, I said the Dow. I know that traditionally, I only look at the S&P or maybe the NASDAQ, but this being the start of a new quarter, I wanted to do something different, something exciting, and something new. And frankly speaking, the Dow is a very good symbol to trade. Okay, you can trade the Dow on 3 formats. If you trade Forex, your symbol is US30. If you trade futures, your symbol is YM. And of course, if you trade stocks and options, your symbol is DIA. Okay, that's the stock version of the Dow. Now, what I happen to have here is the US30 version of the Dow. I think it looks the best out of all 3, at least visually speaking, okay? And I think for you, it's also pretty obvious why it looks so good, right? So this green and red color band that you see overlaid on top of the chart, okay, is our proprietary volume indicator. And today, this volume indicator gave us a nice sell signal right here. Okay, in fact, I should probably just draw another box representing the color change. So right over there on this bar is where this volume indicator color band changed colors, right? All the way over here it was green, and then boom, right here it changes color into red. Now this is a sell signal, right? That's pretty obvious. It should be fairly straightforward, but check this out. You guys know what's coming next, right? Today what I wanted to do was put this particular setup here, okay, these 2 trades, these 2 entries under a microscope and really show you guys and help you understand what risk management is all about, okay? Now, as you guys know, this volume indicator color band is the best indicator in the world for capturing powerful retracements. What's a retracement? Well, let me just recap that for you. Whenever the volume indicator band turns red, you want to wait for some established downward momentum, and then you want to see the market come back up to you, giving you a much better fill. Okay? So that's about as simplistic as possible that I could describe the retracement pattern for you. It's very simple, right? When the color band changes color, either green or red like it did today, wait for some momentum and then wait for the pullback. Why the pullback? Because you get a much better fill, and these potential entries are much higher probability. You understand? But check this out. You see these 2 numbers here that I've drawn onto the chart? What do you guys think these 2 numbers are? Let's really dial you in here, okay? What do you think these 2 numbers are, right? Guys, this represents the potential risk reward that every one of you traders out there have got to get better at. All right. So what do these 2 numbers mean? Well, let's get into it, guys, okay? You guys already know that whenever a retracement setup shows up, okay, we potentially look to short the market on the open of the next bar. So if this is our signal bar, then we go short on the open of the next bar, which is this one. Again, over here, if this is our signal bar, we would look to open our short trade on the open of the next bar. You with me? Now, the stop loss is the risk that is represented on every potential trade that you take. And you know that the potential stop loss location has got to go 1 or 2 ticks or pips above the signal bar. So there's the location for the first trade's stop loss, and there's the location for the second trade's stop loss. This represents the risk. And for a lot of you guys that have difficulty understanding risk in, let's say, ticks or pips, why don't you just try to understand it with the value of 1 bar? Okay? So In this first retracement trade, I'm going to call this trade number 1, okay? Our short trade showed up perfectly. We then took that short trade, we placed our stop loss, and we got a couple of bars in our favor, but then it came right back and stopped us out, right? That is why I drew a -1. On trade number 1, we lost what appears to be the value of 1 bar. But check out trade number 2. You understand? The same retracement pattern showed up. We go short on the open of the next bar. Our stop loss gets placed right there. And this market plunges the rest of the trading session. Okay. And so, yeah, on the first trade, we lost 1 bar. But on the second trade, holy moly, we bagged 38 bars. You understand? This is what most traders have backwards, right? Half you guys out there are risking 1 bar to make 1 bar, or risking 1 bar to make 2 bars. No, that's garbage, ladies and gentlemen. All right? If you're going to day trade the market, then you always have to be prepared to take some small losses. That's part of the game. When I say small, we limit our loss to just 1 bar. But when we win, man, we try to grab 30 bars, 40 bars, sometimes even 100 bars. Does this make sense, guys and gals? Do you understand and appreciate now the power of proper risk management? Risk 1 to try to make 10 or 20 or 100. Never risk 1 just to make 1. That's just dumb. You understand? So yeah, guys, hope all you guys caught this move today in the Dow, especially all you active Dow traders. I got to be honest and tell you, I got to get better at watching the Dow. I always feel like it's an unloved symbol, but boy, does this thing move. And at the very least, guys and gals, I hope that this concept of understanding risk and reward is really going to help you supercharge your trading technical analysis. So yeah, we killed it today on this volume indicator. Really hoping that we get another perfect risk reward setup like this in tomorrow's trading session. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.